Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today, I'm super excited to show you how to create an amazing text effect using Canva. This tutorial is perfect for beginners and anyone who wants to spice up their designs. So, let's get started. Alright, first things first, head over to Canva and create a new design. I'm using a standard Instagram post size for this demo. Go to the text section and type in the word hello. That's our word for today. Now, pick a background. I'll choose a solid background to make our text stand out. For the font, I'm choosing Archivo Black. It's bold and makes our effect pop. Place your text in the center for now. Let's add some flair. Search for splatter in elements. Here are tons of styles. I'll pick this vibrant paint splatter. Watch this. Drag your splatter over the first letter. Change its color to match your background. This will create a cool blend effect. Now, let's copy and paste this splatter across the word. Slightly offset each time for a dynamic look. Next, add a black splatter. It'll give depth and contrast. Position it just right to make the text pop. Now for some magic, let's add a butterfly element. Change its color to complement your design. You can resize and rotate it to fit perfectly. Feel free to play around, add more elements or different types of splatters. Each piece adds personality to your design. To make this more appealing, let's try to do the last letter on this work. Remember to just copy, paste, and reposition depending on your preference and design. Let's try another example to ensure you've got the hang of it. This time, we'll use the word love. Follow the same steps. As we're doing this, why not think about where you might use these designs? Social media posts, event invites, or even your YouTube thumbnails. Where do you see yourself using this effect? Comment below. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel ready to try these effects on your own. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more creative ideas.